Hello, my name is Jenny Larionova, and in this video I would like to show you how I did this composite image from this to this. Okay, let's start from our hero file of this Nespresso machine, coffee machine, and I open it in Adobe Camera Raw, and here's my settings. A little bit of exposure plus 0.25, reduce highlights a little bit, minus 24, and I add a little bit of clarity plus 11 and some vibrance plus 3. I think I did not change any of these settings, yeah, and that's it. Pretty simple adjustments in Adobe Camera Raw. Now open the image, and in next step I will clean the dust. I open 100% and see what I have. Some dust and water and on the cup of coffee. Yeah. Okay, I duplicate layer, go to filter, noise, dust and scratches, and try to find right radius, small radius. Here's checkbox preview, you can see what you have. I think it's too big radius. Yeah, it's pretty good. Click OK. Create a black mask by holding Option on Mac or Alt on PC and add layer mask. So now we have black mask, and pick up small soft brush with white color on top and paint over the dust here. Okay, here some boxes, I think we don't need it. Let's try this one. Here's some dust. And this one. And now we can reduce some bigger dust or some spots. So I create stamp layer, Command Option Shift E, and then go to filter, noise, dust and scratches, and find bigger radius. Now I try to find these bigger spots and find right amount to fix it. Okay, something like this. Click OK. Create a black mask again. Make brush bigger and fix these bigger spots. Maybe in this, on the background. Okay, now it's pretty clean. And I will show you my next step. I already have this file done. So here's our dust. And then now I would like to add a splash like this. So I am back to my previous file.